So here I am in my office. Here's my license, as always. You can see right there. So I have a, I got an email today. Someone emailed me asking, is it necessary to have a licensed paralegal appear in court on your behalf? And the answer is no, you don't. You can send your ex-girlfriend, you can send your ex-boyfriend, you can send your ex-husband. Anyone can go to court and say, my name, blah, blah. I am appearing on behalf of blah, blah, and I am here to conduct business. Now, in Ontario, there's few things I want people to understand, and you can look it up yourself. So, in Ontario or any other province, I'm specifically talking about Ontario, the Law Society is the one that regulates lawyers and paralegals who provide legal services to the community at large or the public at large. And there's few things I want to explain to you. The Attorney General of Ontario, he controls the courts. Attorney General controls the police force, and here's the funny part, it controls the Law Society at a distance, but it still comes under the jurisdiction of the Attorney General. So here is the question for the public to look into it is, you get charged by the police officer who is under the Attorney General's power. Then you go to court, there's a prosecutor or the Crown, which is employed by the Attorney General of Ontario, and he's a member of the Law Society. And the court, the judge, they get their fees and their living and earnings from the Attorney General. And here's the kicker, the paralegal that you hire or the lawyer that you hire is also member of the Law Society, and technically speaking, he is under the jurisdiction of the Attorney General. So how do you as the public get a fair deal? I don't know. And the reason I'm saying is I don't know is when you or I go to court, the first thing the judge goes is, are you licensed? Now, licensed means that something is illegal to do, and they give you a license to do that illegal thing legally. Now, I have been dealing with the Law Society for so long. They lie. They lie big time. And the reason I'm saying is lie, I was investigated by the Law Society. And when they found out that they fucked up, they got rid of Jennifer Annette Ford. She was a paralegal at the Law Society. They got rid of her. They sent her somewhere else for 2 years to avoid 2 year limitation period. And then they brought her back at the Law Society. So for the public, you gotta understand who you are. When you go to court, don't be scared. They're the one that called you to court, so you shouldn't be scared. Yes, people don't understand the law, people don't understand the terminology, but that does not mean that you have to hire someone else to go to court for you. If you stand in court and you fight it, you just got to understand few steps. And the steps that I'm saying is, when you go to court, they will call your name. You tell them, okay, I'm here. They say, do you understand what is going on here? You don't have to answer those questions. And the reason I'm saying is you don't have to answer those questions is because you want the court to answer your questions first, because they are the ones saying you did something wrong and the police charged you. I have been to court for last 10 years. I have done over 300 criminal cases, and I have done something like 800, or I think 900, 900 cases in provincial offenses court in trial. So if you have any questions, give me a call back, 519-616-9050. And whenever you go to court, ask them, why do I need a licensed paralegal? And until next time, you have a good day.